guys, we are live for Retro Bracket 2, sponsored by Mile High Mini Monsters. Alright, first on the line we have Goliath with Mike Arnold, taking on Bigfoot 4 with Kyle. Drivers ready? Watch the light. Alright, good start for these two trucks. 3, 4, down the course. Nice. And Bigfoot with a bit of an advantage. Both trucks for clean run, but Bigfoot 4 moves on.
Driver's ready. Camera's ready. Watch the light.
Two cool looking trucks right here. We've got Bigfoot 1 versus the Legend. Cameras are ready. Drivers, are you ready? Watch the light. Alright, good luck for these two. Oh, little steer for Legend. Comes back on him. Oh, Bigfoot 1 is going to take that race. Oh, really close. I'm going to steal that. All right. Cameras are ready. Drivers, are you ready? Watch the light. And watch the Bigfoot. And Mad Max right there with him. Oh! Mad Max steals it up, puts it over. And Bigfoot 4 will move on to the semifinals. I do adjust the computer there a little bit. Alright. Drivers, are you ready? Cameras, are you ready? Watch the light. Good run after the lever truck. Two trucks still right over. The lever damage. Setting up to my final one. Next round 2 race, we have Blue Thunder going up against Team Williams. Cameras, are you ready? Drivers ready? Watch the ball. Moving up there for Team Williams. Well, Blue Thunder hits the fire. Team Williams keeping it nice and smooth. And he's getting on through that race. Blue Thunder came back nice and strong though. Appreciate you. All right, let's set up your last semifinal bracket here. We have Bigfoot 1 and King Crunch. Drivers ready? Watch the light. All right, Bigfoot is good crunch. King Crunch still right there with the turn. Oh, it sends it a little wild. Oh, who's that going to be? Were there any penalties? Did you see any penalties?
Did you two-wheel over there?
We have a two-wheel on King Crunch.
Oh, it was two-wheel.
You both two-wheel? You both two-wheel, so first to the line.
I think with offsetting penalties, I think it was still.
All right, got our drivers pulling up to the line here. All right, cameras, are we ready? All right, drivers, are we ready? Watch the light. All right, good start for these two trucks. Really even so far. Moving slightest to the foot. Another tight turn for these two. Wow, another tight finish. We're going to have to go to another replay.
They're both cheaters, they both lose.
Cameras, are we ready? Alright, cameras are ready. This is your second semifinal bracket. Sam with the second chance of Team Williams, Chris with King Crunch. Drivers, watch the light. Here it comes to Team Williams. King Crunch is still right there with him. Oh, King Crunch takes a huge tumble. And Team Williams is going to advance into the final to defend it. See if he can take the day on a sweep. Alright, cameras are ready. Alright, this is your Mile High Mini Monsters Retro Bracket 2 final. We've got Bigfoot 4 with Kyle versus Sam with the Team Williams Formula 1 paint. Drivers ready. Watch the light. Really good start to these two tight wheels. Oh, big jump for Bigfoot. Oh, he got the lane. Team Williams is going to keep it on the penalty. Bigfoot crosses the lane.